Hi there. So I'm going to show you a video on how to download the Griff build. Um, First of all, you have to go to the settings on your Android homepage, go over to apps and then find Kodi and click clear data. Once you've done that, open Kodi back up. Um, Depending on what version of Kodi you have, at the minute this is Kodi 17. But what we'll do is we'll just change the skin so it's the same as the Kodi 16, as it's a lot easier to navigate through. So first of all, to change the skin, what you'll do is we'll click on the settings right at the top next to the power button, and then down to interface settings, down to skin. So we want to click on the get more on the right, scroll down to confluence, so this will just change the whole face of Kodi to the one back to Kodi 16. It's easier to navigate through. So click yes. Okay. So we go back to this is what the Kodi 16 looks like. So we scroll over to system, down to file manager, add source, and in the top bar we enter http colon / repo dot aries dash project dot com / magic / so http colon / repo dot aries dash project.com / magic / click done, and then magic will just appear in the bottom, so we'll just click OK now. So now we'll go back, system, down to settings, and then we'll go down to add-ons. Okay. Down to install from zip file. Okay, click OK. Okay, so on this we click settings, click unknown sources, click that's okay. Yes. All good. Now go back again. Oh, back to install from zip file. Down to magic. Repository areas project. And again. That's downloading. Done. Now we go to install from repository. We'll go down to program add-ons. Okay, so you have to wait for the Aries project to pop up in the right bottom corner to say it's downloaded. Then you go to install from repository, go down to Aries project. Program Add-ons, and then Aries Wizard, and then click Install. Down the bottom corner, it's installed. Okay, go back again. And now we go to Programs, Program Add-ons, Aries Wizard. So this is the Aries Wizard that's come up. We'll go to Browse Builds in the top left corner. And then we will scroll down. The Griff build. You can see it underneath the Doug's build. Click on that. Okay, so now we're inside the Griff build. Depending on what version of kodi you have. So the Griff build at the top, 14.2, 15.2, that's for the old versions of kodi, 14 and 15. The Griff build 17 Krypton, that's the one for kodi 17, or the same with no XXX 17. If you're still using kodi 16, the Griff build version 3.6 is what it's at the minute. Depending on the updates, it could be 3.7, 3.8, 3.9, 4.2. Depends how far down the line you want to download it. So, because we're on kodi 17 at the minute, we will download this one, no XXX. So we'll click on that, or you put your scroller across onto it and then scroll across to install. So this is installing. My internet's really slow, so I'm just going to pause it and then I'll come back to you once it's downloaded. So that's downloaded. It's just going to check for its errors. Click yes, just to back it up. Okay, so that is that now downloaded. On that last page, it'll come up and it'll say you now need to close kodi. At that point, you just unplug the box, plug it back in, start up kodi, and this is what will come up. So I downloaded the Sly build instead of the Griff build. They're both made by Kevin Griff, but very similar. Doesn't really matter. But once you've got the build on, we then scroll over to Programs for our final step. click on programs itself. And maintenance tool used to be in here, but it's not in here anymore. So yeah, so usually we come in here and go to the maintenance tool and enable zero cache settings, but it's not in here anymore. So what we do is, once you've been using the box for a couple of days, if you find that it's buffering a lot, or it might even come up and say cache full, all you do is you come underneath programs and you click the little clear cache button just there, and that's it. Yes. Oh, good. Thank you very much for watching.